The international airport is located in Keflavík. Our office is located 5 minutes away. We offer a complimentary shuttle bus. Once you've collected your luggage, please wait at the arrival hall. The driver is there every 15 to 20 minutes. At the office, our staff will happily assist you. Enjoy a free cup of coffee while you are there. Before leaving, you will be instructed on how to operate your camper. Please pay attention. You will then be ready for your adventure with your new home. After all, home is where you park it.